Bàbá Ṣàfà orin ẹ̀rọ ilé tí ìsàlẹ̀ náà ti.
Ó yẹ gbéra sọ.
Yoruba nation.
No going back.
Yoruba nation.
No going back.
No going back.
No going back. Now.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. We are all here today to let all the world know, not only in America, all worldwide, that we are here to let everyone know that the amalgamation, all what they have been doing so far, is enough, and it's done. Everything already expired. We want our nation. We are ready to go to hold our nation. That's why we are cried everywhere, up and down, killing left and right. Killing left and right is too much. We are tired. Our women in Nigeria, our women in Yoruba land, we are not free. All the children, they are not free. Why all this thing is running like that? Enough is enough. Yoruba nation is the best answer for everyone. That is why we gather here. We are pleading, we are begging for worldwide to rescue us, to intervene, to come to us, to please, to lead us so that we will be able to have our own freedom. If you go to Nigeria now, all Yorubas, whenever they are walking, they are looking back and forth. There is no freedom anymore. All our children, they are scared to walk around. Please, Yoruba nation, that is the solution. That's what we want. So that all our children, they can have a happy life. They can have a happy life to walk all through. That is where we are crying. We are really crying. It's too much. If you look at this head now, this is children. Everybody look at this one now. This is children. How could they cross the children head in the whole worldwide? America, they will never allow such a thing to happen. America, they will go after the person. If you cross any woman, that's an abuse. This is too much in Nigeria. And our president, they don't even care. They don't even intervene into all these things. Please, we want to go. Yoruba nation, no going back. This is another poster. Look at all this one now. If it is in America that this poster happen, they will go after them because that is an abuse. It is not good. Please, America, all nations, we want you to help us. Let everybody come together. Yoruba nation is the best. We are tired of all these things. Enough is enough. Church, they cannot go anymore. All our sensory, everything is died down. Enough is enough. We don't want that anymore. If any pregnancy woman walk now in Yoruba land, they will kill them. We don't want killing. Killing is enough. Yoruba nation, no going back. Ileya,
ọmọ Yorùbá, Ileya, ọmọ Yorùbá, Ileya. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kò bá mọ bí ta ọ̀rọ̀, ṣe ó yẹ ká padà sílé. Ẹ̀gá wọn lápọ̀n tí kò yọ, ẹ kèké dá mi làkàdá. Ileya,